Hello everybody, this is Justin Case of American Newscape, joining our friend and the one, the only book wrangler, Sarah Wisdom, bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Hello Sarah, welcome back to American Newscape.
Hello, nice to talk with you.
Well, it's nice to talk to you this beautiful July day. Now Sarah, what's happening at our libraries?
Well, believe it or not, we have come to the last week of the summer reading program. It was 7 weeks long this year, and this is the final week. So we want to remind everybody to log their minutes so they are eligible for those prizes that will be issued. And even if you met the benchmark for your age group, you can read some more to get extra entries in for some of those grand prizes. So you want to make sure to do that. Fill out either the reading log on paper or use our Read Squared app, whichever way you're tracking your minutes this year. Just make sure you get your entries in because it is the final week and those entries are due by 9 p.m. on Saturday, July 15th. For programs this week, we are going out with a bang. Got to finish up summer reading strong, right? So coming up at our Heritage Library, they are hosting Watercolor 101. That's happening on Wednesday, July 12th at 3 p.m. And they told me they're getting ready for Shark Week. I guess Shark Week is happening at the end of July. So they wanted to fit something in before summer reading was over. So they're doing an ocean-themed watercolor painting class. There could be a shark in there. Just saying. That was the inspiration for this program. So that's coming up at our Heritage Library. Coming up at the Foothills Library, this is a program that they've held throughout summer reading, a books to movie program for teens. They've had a different book and movie every other week. So they've been featuring different books that were made into movies. You're invited to read the book and then watch the movie and discuss. And they are finishing up this program with the book/movie Ender's Game. So that's taking place this Wednesday at our Foothills Library for our teens. And last but not least, since it is the last week of summer reading, all of our libraries are hosting summer reading grand finales. Most of them take place on Saturday, July 15th. The only one happening during the week is our Somerton Library. Their finale is Thursday the 13th, starting at 11 a.m. Every other branch is Saturday the 15th, and that information will be available in the Read More at the end of this video, and of course also on our website, yumalibrary.org, as well as the library app, which is free to download on your device. And if you have any questions, of course, you can always come in and see us or give us a call at 928-782-1871.
Wow, that was a mouthful, Sarah. You know, my takeaway from this, it's not just a passion for reading. There's like prizes.
Yeah, there's prizes and activities. We just really work hard to make it all-inclusive for all ages, offer something for everybody because we know that our Yuma families are looking for things to do in the summertime that are inexpensive and in the air conditioning.
Yeah, in the air conditioning. Well, and what a great passion you're trying to share with your patrons, and kudos to everybody at the library. And if you miss this year's summer reading, that's going to come around next year.
Absolutely.
Okay. All right, everybody. This has been Justin Case and Sarah Wisdom bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Thanks for joining us. Remember, additional information and links are provided in this video's Read More. Today's the day to subscribe to this channel. Please support reading, readers, book wranglers, and libraries, and librarians, and everywhere. Thank you.